I'm suffering from too much of a good thing. Between the power armor here, the torso cockpit for Talos, and new foam pieces for Judd McStud, I don't have a lot of room to maneuver around. So videos are kind of going to be coming to a screeching halt, at least until I get Talos' torso built and out of here. You can see these are some pretty tight quarters. So, let's take a look at Talos' torso, aka cockpit. I've just about finished doing all the paneling inside. I just got to put on the roof panels and a couple console panels. But we'll step in. There's the seat where you put your bum. I'm going to be installing an actual seat with a cushion and chair back. Probably that chair, actually currently holding Judd McStud's new parts. And you can see it is a lot more roomy. We'll just climb on in and sit down. Ugh. We've got lots of space for consoles on the right and the left. There's going to be all sorts of cool buttons and stuff. There's going to be the power monitor, power button, the transmission shifter will be right down here. On this side there's going to be the battery box. I'll talk about the batteries I'll be using for Talos in another video. And all the various locking switches and the access to the fuse box. And of course down at my feet, going to be having some new fancy pedals, so I'm not going to be all scrunched up like I am inside Marduk. And a third pedal which I'm a little hesitant about what I'm going to do, which will be for the clutch. And the arm system, which I'm rather proud of, it actually inverts properly, so when you push the Waldo forward, the arm swings forward, like it should. Now I do have to do a little bit of cleanup work, I'm going to cover up these holes with some like black plastic and that sort of thing. But the inside of Talos is going to be a lot more comfy. And of course, lurking in the corner is Talos' actual face itself. So, the rate of videos is probably going to be slowing down to once a week until the new year because, it's the holiday season. So if you do enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe, share it with others, and keep your workspaces clean. Bye-bye.